Tools are the heartbeat of a handyman's craft. Indispensable instruments that turn a simple job into a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Tools are the essence of a handyman's trade, from the humble wrench and the versatile power drill to the precise level. That's why today we've compiled a list of the 20 coolest tools every handyman should own. Let's dive in. A handyman never thinks about his work without a laser level. That's why we're also starting with the Milwaukee Green Interior Rotary Laser Level Kit, your go-to solution for precise and hassle-free leveling in any interior space. Built tough for the job site, this kit boasts impact protection, enduring a 1.5-meter drop and a 2-meter tripod tip. The all-in-one remote and receiver, featuring center-find technology, ensures easy, fast, and automatic long-range alignment, detecting beams up to 1,000 feet. With simplified menu navigation and user-friendly design, it's a breeze to operate. The amplified rare earth magnets provide a secure hold on steel studs, while the included wall mount offers the quickest setup on horizontal or vertical materials. Elevate your leveling game with Milwaukee's durability and efficiency. Do you worry about putting a hole in the wall? Don't worry, we've come up with a solution. The Craftsman 2-in-1 laser level stud sensor is a versatile tool designed for precision and convenience in various construction and DIY projects. This gadget combines two essential functions, a laser level and a stud sensor, providing users with a reliable solution for accurate measurements and locating studs behind walls. Featuring a 20-foot visibility range, the laser level ensures straight and level lines for tasks like hanging pictures, installing shelves, or aligning tiles. The auto-leveling feature enhances ease of use, making it suitable for both professionals and enthusiasts. The integrated stud sensor is a handy addition, allowing users to identify the exact location of studs in walls. This is crucial for safely mounting heavy objects or fixtures. This tool stands out as a reliable and practical choice for those seeking a multifunctional tool to streamline their projects. Trademark Brushless, 1/2 inches mixer construction workers in our country are familiar with the Makita 40V Max XGT Brushless 1/2 inch mixer, a high-performance cordless mixing tool designed for professional applications. The mixer is equipped with a powerful brushless motor, ensuring efficient and durable performance. The brushless technology enhances the tool's lifespan while providing consistent power. Operating on the Makita XGT battery platform, this mixer offers the convenience of cordless operation. It provides freedom of movement without being tethered to power outlets, making it ideal for jobs in various locations. The mixer features a dual-speed gearing system, with speeds ranging from 0 to 500 revolution per minute, allowing users to choose the optimal speed for different mixing tasks. This versatility enhances precision and control during operation. Designed with user comfort in mind, the mixer incorporates a dual-handle design with an ergonomic soft grip. This design ensures excellent control and reduces user fatigue during extended use. Unleash the power of the Winter Whisperer with the Ryobi Whisper series, 2-stage snowblower, an extraordinary snow-clearing marvel. With more power than a 243 cc gas blower, it's a genuine gas replacement that can effortlessly throw snow up to 45 feet. Designed for efficiency, it can tackle 20 car spaces on a single charge, providing up to 30 minutes of runtime with 40-volt 8-amp-hour batteries. Engineered to be 44% quieter than gas and other cordless alternatives, this snowblower boasts a 22-inch clearing width, a powerful motor for quick job completion, and a self-propelled drive system for enhanced control. The 180-degree directional chute, high-intensity LED headlights, and robust steel auger make snow clearing a breeze, even in the darkest winter hours. Next up, we have a perfect tool for a plumber, but before heading on to that, take just a couple of seconds. Hit the like buttons, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. The Rigid Power Spin Plus with Auto Feed is a versatile and efficient drain cleaner designed for hassle-free operation. The Power Spin Plus features Auto Feed, streamlining the drain cleaning process by automatically advancing and retrieving the cable with the push of a lever. This drain cleaner offers flexibility with its hybrid design, allowing manual or cordless drill operation for convenience in various situations. It's suitable for tackling clogs and drains effectively. The Power Spin Plus is ideal for both homeowners and professionals. providing a reliable solution for clearing clogs in sinks, tubs, and showers. With user-friendly features and reliable performance, this tool is a valuable addition to any plumbing toolkit. Enter a new realm of precision and durability with the DeWalt FlexVolt table saw, a powerhouse designed for professional woodworking. Featuring the Site Pro modular guarding system, tool-free adjustment of the guarding is a breeze, ensuring efficient and safe operation. The power loss reset adds an extra layer of safety by preventing accidental restarts after power disruptions. The metal roll cage base enhances durability, surpassing plastic alternatives. With onboard storage for the guard, fence, wrenches, and miter gauge, organization is at your fingertips. The table's coating minimizes friction for smoother cutting, delivering precise results. Whether you're a job site professional or a woodworking enthusiast, the DeWalt FlexVolt table saw stands out for its robust features and user-friendly design, making it an essential tool for cutting-edge craftsmanship. Saw is an essential thing for any kind of worker, but this time, it's a compact one. This is the SKIL 3550 cordless circular saw, your new tiny beast to tackle all hardwood cuttings of a home renovation project or professional remodeling. It cuts 37% faster, and the 88% stronger body ensures up to 10 times longer lifespan. Surprisingly enough, you can do precise sawing of up to 61 millimeters deep with this little tool. Thanks to the handy design and electric braking system, all the actions will be safer and more accurate. Let's be honest, when you're up to grind something movable, you're surely going to choose bench grinders over the handheld ones, right? And if you have these Metabo bench grinders in your workshop, projects will become child's play. And the fun fact is, you can choose between 3 models depending on your sharpening, grinding, or deburring tasks. Oh, it's also suited for removing stubborn rust from metal workpieces when using a round steel wire brush. Cherry on top, these bench grinders have integrated LED lights that optimally illuminate your dim workspaces. What else could you ask for? Utility knives are one of the most important essentials for a handyman or DIY enthusiast. And this tough-built knife is an expertly crafted tool that comes with a groundbreaking patented mechanism. It supports a unique mag-released style blade changing system that boosts your productivity. Aside from that, the integrated magazine indicator has 3 positions, so you can identify the exact type of blade loaded inside at a glance. Plus, the 5 action-ready blade capacity and 10 blade storage reservoir never stop you in between jobs. Cut everything that crosses your way. Well, it's not something for painters. This laser tool blowgun 2 is built to handle a wide variety of cleaning tasks like car interiors, air vents, upholstery, and many more. With its gun-type design, the airbrush blowgun fits perfectly into the palm of your hand and allows you to position it in the exact place you want. Plus, it has a 50mm wide brush that's substantial for efficient cleaning of hard-to-reach areas. Apart from that, the 170 psi maximum air pressure lets you blast away all the heavy dust and debris from your surfaces. If you're looking for a great way to sharpen your knives and tools, then check out this one. This is the Smith's Cordless Sharpener tool that uses 3 types of abrasive belts to sharp up a wide array of materials. However, you can attach or detach the belt in seconds, so the installation will be much easier. Plus, it comes with a removable knife and scissors guide, which features an adjustable angle for any type of knife. Maybe we missed something? Oh, it also has a manual slot for your serrated blades. On top of that, you can rotate the head to find the best angle for your project. You need an effective tool when cutting and chamfering pipes with relatively large diameters. This is why the Ibenstock ERC350 comes in handy. This handy tool is like a trusty steed, ready to tackle pipes up to 350 millimeters in diameter. And with the extendable roller carriage and support bracket, it holds the pipes firmly in place for the most accurate cuts. But wait, there's more. This saw also features a dust extraction system that will keep your workspace as clean as a whistle. So whether you're working indoors or outdoors, the Ibenstock ERC350 is the perfect companion for your next pipe cutting and chamfering adventure. It's time to get rid of all the gluing frustrations that messed up your favorite crafting projects. The Dremel Glue Pen is a little guy that heats up faster than a hot tamale and is ready to rock and roll in just 15 seconds. This pen-shaped tool works like a magical wand and fits comfortably in your hand. It comes with an onboard LED battery indicator that keeps you notified about live battery health. Thanks to the reduced drip nozzle that stands like a superhero shield for your projects. Whether you're fixing a costume, decorating a frame, or just getting artsy with glue pen art, the Dremel Glue Pen is here to help you do more and have fun doing it. You need a powerful tool to deal with tough demolition jobs. This Tulson demolition hammer is such a sturdy solution that allows you to make concrete breaking tasks easier. First, it comes with a robust case for safe transportation and features a large point chisel for big jobs. With the comfortable handle, lock-on/off switch, and variable speed trigger, you will get the needed flexibility and comfort while on the job. Plus, the hammer provides up to 1,500 watts of power, so you can handle even the toughest demolition tasks. Cherry on top, it has an anti-vibration technology, quick reverse mechanism, and ergonomic shape that ensure the topmost outcome with less job time. Whether you're seeking a portable yet powerful lighting solution for critical maintenance jobs, you better go with this Yato Workshop LED lamp. It is a rechargeable lighting solution designed for use in workshops, garages, and homes. It features a magnetic unit at the bottom and a flexible direction adjustment function, making it perfect for regular tasks. Plus, this lamp can provide from 50 to 500 lumens of bright light, depending on the working environment. Aside from that, it has double-sided lighting modes that provide versatility and flexibility. Additionally, the lamp is waterproof and impact-resistant, making it durable and reliable for use in tough environments. If you've watched the video now and found the video helpful, share it with your friends, family, and community. Now here's something cool. The Miller Hard Hat with T94 IHR helmet is built for pro welders who often encounter large welding projects. It simply provides them ultimate protection and exceptional visibility around there. This hat comes with a backpack-style shoulder strap that evenly distributes system weight to provide all-day comfort. Plus, the hard hat complies with all the needed safety standards, so users will get huge confidence in the demanding jobs. On top of that, the integrated HDV technology provides a sharp, detailed view at any angle with minimal distortion and increases visibility. And the next tool worth mentioning is the Eddy tile breaker. Every construction worker will love this tool after seeing its great power. Yep, this tile breaker comes with a unique design that safely removes all ceramic and porcelain tiles in mere time. Even the stubborn tiles can't stand in front of it. Know the best part? It is very easy to carry and supports 3 chisels for individual purposes. Plus, you can operate this tool pretty easily. All you have to do is just position it at a lower angle and you can start breaking tiles. No wonder you're going to get this tile breaker for your new installation projects. Here's another tool that will help you to apply polish and wax on your different surfaces. This Works WX856 Orbital Polisher is ideal for cars, furniture, and boat. It adopts the random orbital action for great polishing and has an ergonomic design for absolute comfort. You can use this tool to do every type of buffering, whether you're a car workshop worker, furniture maker, or boat cleaner. Thanks to its lightweight design and rubber over mold grip, it allows you to use it for long-term applications, having zero fatigue at all. Long story short, outdoor parties or camping trips would not be complete without a bass-blasting speaker. So let's wrap up today's list with this Makita Adrm 08. This Bluetooth speaker comes with a rugged construction and brings your favorite tunes together. Unlike the other regular speakers, this versatile and durable sound station withstands anything life throws at you and immerses your enjoyment outdoors. However, you must be thinking about the runtime. Well, you'll be satisfied with its 32-hour continuous runtime. So that was the list of the 20 tools that every handyman should have. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.